How to submit work and get paid on Upwork. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Next, go to the Deliver Work from the top menu to view your active contracts and select a contract for which you want to submit work. Inside the contract, click on Submit Work or Submit a deliverable. Upload your files, documents, or links as required by the project. You can also add a message to the client to explain the submission or provide additional details. After submitting, the client will review your work. Once approved, the payment will be released to your Upwork account. Make sure you submit high-quality work and follow project instructions carefully to avoid disputes. To withdraw your earnings, go to Settings, then Get Paid. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions. Upwork supports directly bank transfers, PayPal, and other payment options depending on your location. Submitting work correctly and maintaining clear communication ensures timely payment and helps build a strong reputation on Upwork. Now you know how to submit work and get paid on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.